નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we will study the exercise 5.3, question number 3. This is the topic of standard 10, chapter number 5, arithmetic progressions. So, in this question, what we have given, actually there are some sub questions. So we will study the first sub question, and all the sub questions of question number 3 are of the same type, in which we have given some of the values and we have to find some another values. So in the first question we have given that a is equals to 5, d is equals to 3, an is equals to 50. These three things we have given. We have to find the value of and Sn. So in this AP, this is the all the values are of an AP, and here we have to find the number of the terms of that AP and sum of that much of the term, right? So this Sn represent the sum of the n terms. So here we do not have the value of n. So to find out the value of n, we will start from whatever we have given. We have given an is equals to 50. So we can use the formula to find out the value of nth term, and that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the value of an is equals to 50, a is equals to 5, n minus 1 remains as it is, d is equals to 3. From this equation now we can find out the value of n. So by taking this 5 to the left hand side, it will be subtracted from 50. 50 minus 5 is 45. Right hand side we have remained n minus 1 into 3. Now by taking this 3 to the left hand side, it will divide the 45. So 45 divided by 3, that is equals to 15. 15 is equals to n minus 1. So we get the value of n is equals to 16. So the first thing that we have to find, value of n, that is equals to 16. Now we have to find out the Sn. Sn means now n is 16. We have to find out the value of S16. That means the addition of first 16 term of this AP. So Sn, the formula of Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to n by 2. Okay. We can also use this formula when we know the value of the first term and the last term. In this case, we know the value of the last term, that is equals to 50. So we do not have to use this formula, we can use this formula, right? So Sn is equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. So we can use n is equals to 16. So here we can use in place of n 16. So we have to find out the sum of the 16 term. So S16 is equals to n by 2, that is equals to 8, because n is 16 and a is 5, that is we have given, and an is 50, right? So now addition of 50 plus 5 is 55, and 55 adds are 440. So the addition of first 16 term, that is equal to Sn, is equals to 440, sorry. Okay, so in this way we can find out the unknown values by using whatever we have given. Okay, so now let us study the question number 4, sub question number 4. What we have given? We have given a3 is equals to 15, the value of third term is 15, and the addition of first 10 term, that is S10, is equals to 125. And we have to find the value of common difference d and value of the 10th term, that is equals to a10. Okay, again whatever we have given, from that we have to start. We have given the value of a3, the value of third term, and addition of the first 10 term. So we have to choose this and we have to start from here. Okay, So Sn, the formula of first n term, addition of the first n term is Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will use this formula for the value of n is equals to 10. So S10 is equals to 10 by 2, 2a plus n is equals to 10 minus 1, d we don't know, we have to find out the value of d, and a is also unknown. Okay, so both a and d will remain as it is. Now S10 is equals to 125, 10 by 2 is 5, 2a plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 9 into d. So this is whatever we get here. Now by taking this 5 to the left hand side, it will divide the 125. So we get 2a plus 9d is equals to 25. Give it equation number 1. Because two variables are there. We have not the value of any a and d. Now whatever we have given a3. So we can write down a3 is equals to a plus 2d. Okay, and a plus 2d is equals to 15 because value of a3 is equals to 15. Give it equation number 2. Now we have two equations and two variables a, d. So this equation number 1 and 2 make an pair of linear equation in two variables. We can solve both this equation by elimination method. Okay, now we want to eliminate the variable a. So here coefficient of a is 1, here is 2. So we will multiply this equation number 2 with 2 and subtract it from equation number 1. So equation number 1 will remain as it is. Multiply the equation number 2 by 2, we will get 2a plus 4d is equals to 30. And now change the sign, all the terms are positive, now all the terms will become negative. 2a will cancel out, 9d minus 4d that is equals to 5d, 25 minus 30 that is equals to minus 5. So we get the value of d is equals to minus 1. Now put this value in equation number 1 to find out the value of a. So equation number 1 is here. Okay, so we can put it in equation number 2 because it will be easy for us to calculate. So we will put it in equation number 2, right? So equation number 2 is a plus 2d. A will remain as it is. Here instead of d we have to put minus 1. Minus 1 2 is a minus 2. A minus 2 is equals to 15. So value of a we get is equals to 17. Now we have the value of a and d. What we have to find? Value of d that we have and value of a10. Now what is a10? We can write down a10 is equals to a plus 9d. A is 17, 9 remains as it is, d is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 into 9 is equals to minus 9 and 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. So the value of the 10th term is equals to 8. Okay? Okay. Let us study the sub question number 6. In this we have given a is equals to 2, common difference is equals to 8, Sn is equals to 90, find n and an. Here we have given the addition of first n term that is equals to 90, but we don't know how many terms is added here, right? So that we have to find out the value of n, and from that we can find out the value of an. So obviously we have to use the formula of Sn, that is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of Sn is equals to 90, n by 2 remains as it is, 2 into a is equals to 2 plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 8. Now simplify this. What we get? Take this 2 to the left hand side, it will multiply the 90, we will get 180. That is equals to n, 2 2s are 4, 8 will multiply these both the terms, so we will get 8n minus 8, right? 188 as it is, n as it is. Here by simplifying this 4 and minus 8, we will get minus 4, 8n remains as it is. Now multiply this n to this bracket. 180 is equals to 8n square minus 4n. Take this 180 to the right hand side, we will get 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equals to 0. Now notice that 4 is the common for all the three terms, so we will get by taking the 4 as a common, we will get here 2n square minus n minus 55 is equals to 0. Now this will become an quadratic equation. So we have to factorize this to find out the value of n. We will use this splitting the middle term method. So here 45 to the 90. Now factorize the 90 such that the subtraction of both the factor becomes minus 1. So 10 9 is 90. We can use 10 and 9. Okay. So 2n square as it is, minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. So minus 10n plus 9n is equals to minus n. Right. Now take the common from both this term. We will get 2n as a common. What will remain in the bracket? Here n and here 5. From these two terms we can take 9 as a common. Here what will remain? 9 minus 5. Both the brackets are common. It will be put in the one bracket, and 2n plus 9 we have to put into the another bracket. Right? 2n plus 9. Okay. So now compare this both the bracket with 0. By comparing n minus 5 is equals to 0, we get the value of n is equals to 5. By comparing this term with the 0, what we get? We get n is equals to minus 9 upon 2. Now notice that what is n? N represent the natural numbers only, and n is here minus 9 upon 2. So this value of n is not possible. So we have to consider the value of n is equals to 5. So first answer we get, that is equals to 5. Now we have to find out the an. An means a5 because n is equals to 5. And what is a5? We can write down a5 is equals to a plus 4d. So a is 2, 4 into d. Now what is d? D is equals to 8. 8 4s are 32. Addition of both this is equals to 34. So the value of an is equals to a5 is equals to 34. Okay? So we get both the unknown values n and an. So in this way we can solve this type of questions which are in which both the value of an and sn, right, we have given, right? Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.